Hey everyone, this is Angga from Indonesia and welcome back to my video in YouTube. Today we're going to learn how to design the login pages with the Sketch app for the tablet user interface design. And after we design in the Sketch app, we will make it into the Android Studio. So right now we want to design it first into the Sketch. So we create new document. I will create new artboard by press A on your keyboard and looking for the material design, and there's the tablet. I will select the smallest one and I want to make it horizontal, so just click here. Okay, and this is the artboard. Cool. Okay, well, we will design the login screen for this tablet. So I will change the name of the artboard to login screen, and then I want to create the background, and I will group it for the BG, which is the background. Okay, and then I will create my personal logo. So here I will put my logo. So I'm looking for my logo. Hold on. Picture and assets and logo, and this is the logo. Okay, cool. I will make it small. Okay, it's enough. And this is app logo. And then I want to create the input, which is the username and password and button login and the register or create new account or login with the Facebook. So here we move the logo to the top and give the margin is around 100. Alright, and just make sure this it's already centered, and the logo should be outside of the background. And then I want to create new rounded rectangle tool for the username. I want to make it bigger like this. Okay, and setting the radius to 100, and I will group it for the username, and I want to change this color to the another color like this. Okay, and I will create the username here for the placeholder, and the font size around 22, maybe 18. Sorry, looking for this username. Yeah, maybe I will make it to the middle like this. Cool. Okay, now we already have the username here, and I will duplicate this group for the password, and the margin top is only 10 pixel, and this is for the password. And let's make it little small, maybe 16, and this is should be 16. Cool. Now I'm going to duplicate again for the login BTN, and the margin should be 25, and this is for the send in, and just make it to the center, and I will change the rectangle to the another color to make it different. Okay, and right now I will duplicate this button for create BTN and make it to the below, and give the margin is around 50, and this is create a new account and make it center, and just change the color. Maybe we can only use the border, as you can see here, just like this. Okay, and I think it's not 50, maybe 80. Okay, cool. Now I want to refine this design to make it more looks beautiful, and I want to try. So let's start it from the background. I will create new vector with the V, or you can vector here, and I will draw something here. Okay, and yeah, you know, I just want to make it, yeah, it's cool. And let's try to find the good colors. If my logo is red color, can we change it to the, oh yes, we can change to the white color. It's pretty cool. I love my logo. So if you don't have the sketch app, it's okay. So I will give you the assets that you can easily to use this. First, I will create anything else first here for the background. Maybe I will create the rectangle like this, and don't use the fill color, and just use the border. Maybe the border should be 6, no, 12. Okay, and move, no, I think it's better like this. We can change the color to the another color. Okay, and I think I will duplicate this and resize, and we can move here like this, and I will duplicate again and resize like this. Okay, I don't know what this ornament for, but I just want to make it, yeah, you know, little refine, just tidy up the design. And I think I will make it radius, because you know all of my element has radius, but this cool. Okay, and right now just change the color. What color that I will to use? I think let's start with the background. We can change the gradient color. Maybe we can use the default color, purple. What do you think about purple? Okay, let's take it. So here should be white color. Why white color? Because we want to make like this. Okay, so the opacity is only 5%. No, 3%. Alright, and here I think I want to, you know, I get a problem here, so I think I will change the color to the orange. But how to trim? Let's find to, okay, I know. So here I will mess, no, I know how to do this. Just duplicate this path and move this rectangle, sorry, move this path here and mesh. No, it's not. And oh yeah, I see. And this is to the ignore. So this design, but you know, it's not really cool. So what I gonna do is, okay, I think we need to change the design. I'm sorry, I will change it to the white color. No, I think this design should be different color. I think we can start with the orange, and this is orange, and the second is, and the second maybe we can use yellow, and the third maybe we can use the red color, oh no, green. Okay, and then the big one should be red color. Oh no, the big one is use my favorite colors, red colors, this one. But I got the mistake here, so I need to move this green and yellow. Okay, cool. It's too bad, Angga. I want to delete this. I don't really like. So here, just make it simple. And this is should be white color. No, I think we can use orange. Oh yeah, it's cool. And this one should be orange. And the button should be different. Maybe we can use blue. No, orange. Let's find something else. Green. No, just make it orange. And this one is not orange again, it's like just like this, and just I want to change this color again to here, and just make sure the text color is not white again. Maybe we can use white. I will show you. Okay, this, we got it. Okay, so this is the design for the tablets that we can make it, but we need the background, so I will select the background and app logo. And how about this background? We can make it into the drawable, so we don't need to export or slashing these images. But I think you will know, you will know how to create this username and password and send in into the drawable, so I will show you. So just select the app logo and background, and to make exportable 2x and export layer, and I will assets and export, and then select the login screen and export it to the assets. Okay, now we're going to the Android Studio right now. Well, I will create new Android Studio project for the login, set purple, Angga, and next, and with the empty activity, and next, and this is should be login activity, and finish. Well, in this case we are not use the Java, so say goodbye to Java, and just make sure your design use the tablet here 7WSVGA with the APA 22, and I will rotate it. Okay, it's like this, and then I will go to areas to copy my assets, which is the app logo and background. Go to drawable, and okay, and then we're going to the styles to remove the action bar, and go to the colors to change the status bar for our color, which is the purple. So here I will copy the hex code, which is the 5C6BC0, and go to primary doc, and we did it. And just go to here. Okay, and I will remove this text field and just change this background to drawable background, and you make it cool. But the background it's different color, the gradient is different, so I think it's okay. Or you can also change the status bar to the another color, which is the black, to the neutral color. And we're gonna to add the images view with the maybe the height and width is 60 by 66. So here 60 dp and 66 dp, and source is drawable app logo, and we're gonna to make it to the center. Okay, let's do this. I will to make to the center. Where is the center? Where is the center? Okay, cool. Now we're gonna to setting the margin top. It's around 100. Oh no, it's around 60. Yeah, and then if we want to make the edit text, we just need to go to the text and plain text, and drag and drop like this, and setting the margin top, maybe it's around 50. Yeah, and then we need to change this background to the drawable. So here I'm going to change first to username and change the color, text color, and we're gonna to copy this hex code. Yeah, so actually if you don't have sketch, you can use the Zeplin to copy this hex code, and we're gonna to go to the Android to like this, and just go to the drawable to create the background for this username and drawable resource, and this is for the input bg. Okay, and just change it to the shape, and then first I will set in the corner with the radius 100 dp and the background with the solid color. The solid color is, we should take it first. So the solid color is FFF2DD, and just change it. Now we're going to activity and go to the edit text to change the background to drawable input background. Yeah, and we did it, but we should give the padding. Okay, so I want to try to get the padding here. So the padding left is around 15 dp, and the padding right is around 15 dp, and the padding top is around 10 dp, and padding bottom is around 10 dp. Now we got the username we got the username, but I think the username should be large, maybe 200, so we can copy it and go to the here, looking for the layout width and dp. Okay, and we want to make it to the center again like this. Okay, pretty cool. So here it's not text, so it's hint like this. Okay, now just edit this edit text for the username, and I'm going to copy this this code and change it to the username, and this is the ID for the password, and change it to the password, and this is text password. Okay, and the margin top is not 60, it's only 10 dp. Cool. And we're gonna to create the button, so just go to design again. I want to drag and drop the button, but firstly I want to change this text size. Font size is only 16. Now we're going back to the text and looking for this, and text size is only 60 sp, and we're gonna to copy this, copy and paste. Okay, but here I think that I got the problem here, that I will to change the height maybe 45, so we should change the height. Oh, this one, sorry, so here should be 200 dp, 45 dp. Yeah, and we're gonna to copy and remove this and replace these codes. Okay, it's good. Now I think that we need to create the button right now, so going to design and widgets and button, and setting the margin top is 30 and going to the text and looking for the button here, send in. Okay. Wait, something wrong with this preview. Okay, and I want go to Drawable to create the button background btn bg, and just go to the input bg to copy all of them and paste. And I think we just need to change the color, isn't it? So the color is this one. Okay, and we make it, just get the background drawable is btn background, and just replace this. I'm going to replace this, and we make it. Okay, and I want to change the color to be white like this. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now I just want to change this ID to btn scene, and I'm going to copy this button to, this is the btn register and btn scene. This is create a new account, but there's the caps lock, so cash, capital cash. No, looking for the text all caps, it's false. Okay, and we should change the background again. So here, create new drawable for the background, bg create, and just paste, sorry, we're going to btn background and paste. But here we don't need to use the solid, maybe we only use the border. Sorry. So here we use the stroke, and the color is white. Okay, but there's stroke. Oh, we should change the width 1 dp, and you can see there's stroke. So we just need to here to change the background to bg create. Okay, but there's the problem, as you can hear. But I think we can change this background color. So I will go to this and go to the fill color to change this. Okay, now I'm going to copy and go back to the Android and go to bg create to setting the solid and color. Yeah, and the problem is fixed. Now we're going to run this application into the emulator with the tablets. Well, seems like the design is really bad, so the actual is not bad. You just need to rotate like this. Sorry, wait. Oh yeah, I forget to setting the nodes. So after you design like this, just click here to generate the constraint. Cool. And we're going to run again this application. And here we go. This is the design. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope it useful for you. Please visit my blog, which is anggarizky.com/in/blog, that you can read my article, I know. And you can also download this project into my blog, that I will put the link into description on my video. Well, nice to meet you from Indonesia, and goodbye.